Here is the Honda Ridgeline. That's the light right over there. In order to access it, we have to first open up the tailgate. So let's go ahead, open the tailgate, and now we need to get the light out of the body, which is being held in place by two screws. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket ratchet combination to get the screws off. So let's go ahead, loosen them up one by one and get them off. The first one's off. Repeat the process for the second one and keep them both safe. Now just grab the light and pull it sideways and it'll just come right out. There you go. Now set it aside on the tailgate. Here's the reverse light bulb. The way to access it is from behind over here. Just grab it and twist it left, and now it's loose and it comes out. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 7440. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And then let's go ahead and put it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back into the light, it may not just drop in right away. You may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder drops in, just like this. Good. At this point, just twist your right and you're done. Get the light in position and just give it a little bit of a push. That's good. Make sure the holes are lined over there. That's where the screws go in, because that's all that's holding the light in place. Yeah, hand tighten the screws in first, one by one. And now we can tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination or the screwdriver, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.